Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 4411 State Route 364 East Lake Road overlooking Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular architect-designed house and garden gem with nearby Canandaigua Lake access.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this grand two-story foyer with soaring 18-foot ceilings, a palladium window, and charming octagon windows, all with French doors leading to the spacious living room with a bay window.
This is spectacular open living with an entertainment-sized great room, featuring a 20-foot cathedral ceiling, a palladium window, a gorgeous gas fireplace with built-ins, custom lighted shelving, a wall of windows with deck and patio access, plus a pass-through window to the country kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry with decorative glass, select stainless steel appliances, and lake views, plus a formal dining room with a bay window, all with a convenient first-floor laundry and powder room.
Enjoy the ease and convenience of one-floor living with a wonderful first-floor primary suite featuring deck access, perfect for morning coffee, a walk-in closet with a custom built-ins, and a very spacious bathroom, perfect for relaxing after a day on the lake. Plus, the upstairs has great extra space with a charming overlook of the great room, and 2 bedrooms, one with a lake view, and a full bathroom. This architect-designed home by Donald Gardner has exceptional quality and craftsmanship and is evident in the details.
Enjoy the lake breeze and the charming English cottage landscaping with a wraparound porch with scenic lake views and exquisite stone walkways leading to a maintenance-free deck and stone patio with a quaint courtyard feel surrounded by beautiful gardens, perfect for enjoying the afternoon sun and sunsets.
You could have it all with this Canandaigua Lake View dream home. This property has a prime location with over a half an acre with easy access to the entire Finger Lakes region.
Steps away from this home, you have beach access at Deep Run Park.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4411 State Route 364 East Lake Road overlooking gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!